古人能卧窗听风听雨听马蹄声，而我们只能一复一日地听汽车噪音。That's not fair, so let's get this changed. Firstly, I would like to show you a picture and give you a roughly idea what is called a tree orchestra. I believe there are three ways to cut off the noise. Cut the source, cut the medium, or cut the target. For the target, we can use the ear plugs, or we can close our ears, although that's not possible. For the source, we can use grass road instead of the normal road, but that won't be permitted by the city council, isn't it? For the medium, we can turn the air into jelly. But sorry, Harry Potter didn't teach me that spell. The owner of the house suggests that a noise-preventing engineering glass will cost over $3,000. What will make it cheaper and prettier and carrying people's feelings? The Ecological solution. To plant trees, I mean trees who can play music. What is noise? Let's go back to the initial problem. It is the unbalanced frequencies. What if we can fill in these pieces of sound and make the whole series a song? For sources, we can gather songs from crickets, various of birds, wind bell, rain, wind, sea wave, and so much more. What we can do is to treat noise as a lonely note and make a new song from it. Think about it. Isn't it better to hear a soft music rather than noise at 10 p.m.? Additionally, trees also absorb dust and grow your fruits. Isn't that great? So contact 1-300-12345 for your tree charge solution today for street noise. See you next time.